Imagine this. What if one of the Beatles, specifically Paul McCartney, was no longer with us and was replaced by a lookalike? Today we're diving deep into the urban legend that claims Paul McCartney died in 1966. The theory began circulating in 1966 and gained widespread popularity by September 1969, especially on American college campuses. According to the legend, McCartney died in a car crash and was replaced by a lookalike. One of the most intriguing aspects of this theory is that fans claim to find evidence within Beatles albums and songs. Allegedly, backward messages and symbolic imagery hint at McCartney's death. Despite the evidence presented by conspiracy theorists, no concrete proof has ever surfaced to support these claims. Beatles themselves have dismissed this theory over the years, but it continues to intrigue fans. The story gained traction in part due to the era's counterculture and the Beatles' immense popularity. Many felt that McCartney's demeanor on stage and his bandmates' reactions hinted at a cover-up. Ringo Starr, one of the Beatles' members, admitted in an interview that McCartney passed away in 1966 and was replaced by a lookalike. However, this statement is widely regarded as a joke given the context. This urban legend has persisted for decades, captivating music enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike. Despite all the speculation, McCartney continues to perform publicly today, challenging these persistent rumors. So there you have it, a deep dive into one of music's most enduring conspiracy theories. What do you think? Have any theories of your own about this legend? Share them in the comments below.